All right, Ben.
Splash! Splash, Daddy!
Benjo, can you show me how you go underneath?
Just go mommy again, okay? Ready?
This dog is so in the way. Ready?
Look at mommy.
Look over here. Ready?
2, 3.
Yay! Look at me, Ben. Give me a smile.
Fun? See Cameron?
He's really thirsty.
I want to see Benjo. Show me.
Can you show Sissy Leslie?
Show
Hey,
me.
until then. Hey, Cameron. Hey, Cam.
I mean, I think that thing's starting to get a little small.
It is kind of on her butt.
Yeah.
Look at that boy.
Splash him. Splash him. There, yay! Cameron got him! Okay, I'm getting kind of hot, so that means you're getting hot. Okay, want to get out now? Want to get out? No?
Ben, you want to go in the water again one more time? Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Okay, ready?
When you go in the water, can you hold your breath?
Can't get.
1, 2,
You want to go in there?
3.
Okay, you're in the way.
Yay!
Yay!